Hello guys, welcome back to our channel purpletrainedai.com. So today's video is about using the new feature which is introduced by purpletrainedai.com, and it's bulk create for automating your social media posts. So today we are going to go into the details how to create a bulk um, assets. Like you can create images, you can create videos from AI, and you can schedule it into a calendar to post it on the future date. So this is really very easy interface, I would say. And you can see this is the website of Purple Trend AI. This also offers free caption and hashtag generator. You can try it. And if you go down, you will see what are the features available. Out of all these features, today we are going to try and test how this bulk create feature works. Okay. Now let's go to the dashboard. This is my account which is already logged in. This is how my dashboard looks, and when you are on the dashboard you can directly jump onto the bulk creation tab, or you can go for individual image or video creation. So these are some earlier generations which I tried. There is another advanced feature included here in this web app, and it is carousel. So I tried this carousels yesterday and they look really fantastic. You can check it out here. So if I click edit, you can see what's inside this carousel. So this is the text which you can edit from here. And then let's not focus on to the carousels. Let's continue with our bulk create feature. So I'm on this page, bulk create. So first things first, what I have to do is I have to create a new template. So create a new one. I click on create new one. So this is my new template created. It's default name. You can customize your name. Create some images of toddlers playing around with cute animals. So basically this is my content idea. I'm going to post it here, and I'm naming this kids and animals. That's my name of the campaign. I just create the campaign, save it. Campaign is saved. Now I have to give some idea, create some images of toddlers playing around with the cute animals. Clothing for kids shall be in vivid colors, and images shall be ultra realistic. Simple prompt. That's all. And just for the demo, I'm going to create say 7 posts. You can create 14, 30 posts, whatever you want, or you can create 7 videos for the post and 14 videos, 30 videos, whatever content you want to plan for your next weeks or days, you can plan. So right now here I'm choosing just images for the demo purpose, and I'm choosing 7 days. So as I change these numbers, you can see the total budget of the generation, the credits required is getting updated automatically. So let's start with creating 7 posts. So I'm creating for the platform Instagram, and I have already connected my Instagram account, so that's why it is appearing in this list. I will just choose that account, and then the captions are also auto generated along with the images or posts, so you can choose your tone for the captions what you want. Let's keep this humorous, and then you can choose a schedule date. Like let's say for example I want to schedule my post from say next Monday, 20th of April. Every day at 16:00 I want to post these images. So that's how I have planned my content. This is about the planning. then you have to save your template, whatever changes you have done. One more important information is, if you don't have your Instagram or Facebook connected here, still you can try this feature without connecting your accounts. Okay, so now I have given my campaign idea and I will just click generate. So first things first, what it will create is, first it will create a list of 7 different lines. Each line will contain the caption for that post and also the prompt which is being sent to the generation engine. So here you can see which account is connected, it's clear. Then the date, you can see we started from 20th of April, 21st, 22nd, and so on up to 26th of April. And every day at afternoon 2 o'clock it will be automatically posted. So what we can do is we can change the dates if we want. Let's say, for example, on 21st I want to post at 3 o'clock instead of 2 o'clock. I can change the date. Then, as I said, these are the captions which will be posted along with the image or video, and this is a prompt which is going to be sent to the AI generator. So if you want to play around, you can change this prompts, but I would recommend don't change anything here. These are really customized and highly engineered prompts, and I can assure you, you will get the quality outputs. So for example, if some people want to have a mix of images and video in the campaign, of course you can change a few things here. Like instead of image you can generate a video, but video generation costs you a little bit more, so the budget will be automatically updated. So now you have the list what you want to generate, image or video. For example, I have changed one here, one generation as video. That's all. Now you have choice to generate individual line items and schedule them. But here we are talking about the productivity, and of course we all want to save the time. And here is what is recommended to do is you just click on generate all. That's all, and you can see all the images, video and everything in the list has already started generating. So this will take usually 5 minutes, maximum 3 to 5 minutes if you have all the images in the list. But in case if you have videos, it can take a little bit more. So right now we have a combination of images and videos, so I hope it should not take more than 5 minutes. So this will keep on generating. Even if you navigate away from the screen, that's okay. And when you come back, you can see what has been generated and what is available on your campaign page. See, this is less than a minute, I would say. First image is already generated. You can click what's generated. We have a campaign of kids and animals playing around. So this looks okay. So coming back. So let's see what we have more. It's still rotating, that means it's still generating. We can just save this campaign and move to the dashboard and come back to this page. Bulk create again. You will see an empty screen. Your generation is not lost. Click here, kids and animals. That's your last campaign, and you can see these are the thumbnails. The images are already generated, only the video is taking a little bit longer. Look at this beautiful kid. So you have all these images ready to post with date and time. Let's wait for this video to get generated. Now the most important thing, once everything is ready, you have option to schedule all. You can schedule individual post line by line by clicking this button here, schedule, schedule, schedule for all the 7 dates. That's your choice. Let's refresh the page once again. Let's see if we have this video ready. But as I said, like sometimes the videos might take a little bit longer compared to the images. So it's still generating. Let's wait for a few more seconds. It should not take that much time. Or what we can do is we can just check the feature schedule all. When I before that, I would like to show you the planner, how it looks like. So in the planner, I have already pre-scheduled some of my posts for different pages. You can see this. So today is 11th of April 2026. I have these two posts scheduled, and there are two more. I can see these posts, and of course you can see the status of the individual post, how it looks like. Okay, so you can close this. So this is today, and in our current campaign, which we are doing a test, we have planned content for 20th of April onwards, right? So right now this 1 week is empty from 20 to 26. So once we are with all the images and videos what we want to generate, and when we click schedule all, everything should go to the calendar and you should be able to see it under the planner. Okay, let's come back. It's taking a little bit longer than expected. Let's give it some time. We will start with schedule all. I will click schedule all. Okay, now it's scheduling all. This is the first one scheduled, second one scheduled. All the posts are scheduled. All 6 posts are scheduled. We'll come back to this video later. Now let's go to the planner. You can see here the calendar must have been updated with all the scheduled posts. So here is our data, our content. So on 28th 2 p.m. for 21st, video is still generating. We don't have anything scheduled here. 22nd, you can see here it's already scheduled. So you're done for the month. You don't need to come here again and see whether it's posted or not. You get all the details here. Like if your post is successfully posted to the social media, you get this green badge with a tick. And if you have some problems, you could see it's orange or a little bit red with exclamatory mark that it is not posted or this is failed posting. So sometimes it happens when you connect your Facebook or Instagram account, the tokens which are exchanged with our app sometimes get expired, and that can cause you failure of the post. So it is recommended to come back once in a day once in 2-3 days. Just have a look on the post if everything is working or not. If you have some problems, just go to the settings, and in the settings you will have a list of your Facebook and Instagram pages which are connected, and click here a refresh button. So that will refresh your connection and your posting will be automatically start working properly. Okay, so that's how this bulk creation or bulk campaign creation works, and how you can unfortunately this video generation is failed right now. Maybe this is because of some heavy load on the servers, but that's okay. You can retry, regenerate and schedule it separately. So you can have content for your 1 month within 10 to 15 minutes, and you are super productive as a social media planner and influencer. One more important thing, if you miss out on something, you just go to my assets and go to the campaigns, and when you click here you will find all your campaigns. Like I have 4 campaigns already running, and this is the latest one which we created. If you go here, you can see the individual posts with the captions and hashtags which are automatically generated. And in case of failure to post, what you can do is you can simply come back to the root folder, my assets, and even in my assets you will find all the content which is generated. Right now it is scheduled, so you don't have option to post now. In case of some failed post, let me give an example. see this one is draft, this one is failed post, but this is carousel, so I'm just ignoring. um, let's go down. This is a failed post. Okay, so now what I can do is, right now I just click on post now button, and I want to post it on this one of my page. Let's say this page. And on the Instagram you can choose your Facebook, Instagram, whatever you want. And you, if you want to post on feed or story, you can choose one. I choose feed, and I say publish now. That's all. It's going to get posted on my social media platform. So this is posted successfully on the Instagram. Okay, so that's how it works. So I hope you enjoyed this session. If you have any doubts how to create the bulk content, or if you have any issues in auto posting, just drop me a message on admin@purpletrendai.com, or you can just go to the help and support section, browse in FAQ, or you can click here and put your questions here. This chatbot will help you with all your questions. And still, if you don't get a satisfactory answer, we are open to answer your ticket. Either submit your ticket, or you can directly write a mail with this option, or use this mail ID with your email service provider, and we are happy to help you. I hope you enjoyed this session. Have a good day, and see you.